Have you ever noticed that no matter how tired you are, sleep just doesn't come? Or maybe you wake up several times a night, groggy and frustrated. For many seniors, this isn't just a bad night. It's a chronic struggle that quietly affects mood, memory, and energy. But the good news is, the solution might be sitting right on your plate. I've spent over 15 years helping seniors reclaim their health naturally, and one thing I've learned is that the right foods can be more powerful than any supplement when it comes to sleep. Today, I'll share 7 foods that can help you sleep deeper, wake up refreshed, and feel calmer than you have in years. And stick around because the last food on this list is something most seniors overlook entirely, but it's a game changer for sleep quality. Many of us struggle to sleep as we age, and it's not just because of stress or aches. It's because our body's natural rhythms change, hormones shift, and even small nutritional gaps can make falling asleep or staying asleep harder. You might lie in bed feeling exhausted yet wired, or wake up at 3 a.m. wide awake, wondering why sleep feels impossible. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone, and there's a simple, natural approach that actually works. Let's start with something that might surprise you, the power of cherries. Not just any cherries, but tart cherries like Montmorency. These little fruits are packed with melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it's time to sleep. Studies show that drinking a small glass of tart cherry juice before bed can increase sleep time and improve quality. Imagine sipping a small glass every evening and feeling your body naturally relax into deeper sleep. And coming up, I'll reveal a common breakfast staple that actually sabotages sleep if eaten the wrong way. Most seniors don't realize this. Next on the list is almonds. These nuts are not only crunchy and satisfying, but also a natural source of magnesium, a mineral that calms the nervous system and relaxes muscles. Just a small handful before bed can help you drift off easier. Picture yourself lying in bed, muscles unwinding, thoughts slowing down, and finally welcoming restful sleep. And later, I'll share a surprising leafy green that works even better than almonds if prepared the right way. Have you tried kiwi for sleep? It may sound unusual, but this sweet, tangy fruit is a powerhouse for seniors struggling with rest. Research shows that eating 2 kiwis an hour before bed can significantly improve sleep onset, duration, and efficiency. It's partly due to its antioxidant and serotonin-boosting properties. I like to think of kiwi as nature's gentle lullaby, calming your mind and guiding you toward deep sleep. And the next food on our list is something many people already have in their kitchen, but use completely wrong when it comes to sleep. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are incredible for sleep. They're rich in omega-3s and vitamin D, which help regulate serotonin, a precursor to melatonin. Eating a small portion in the evening can support natural sleep rhythms. I often tell seniors that fish is like a gentle whisper to your brain. It's time to rest. Later, I'll explain why pairing this with the wrong evening beverage can undo all the benefits, something almost no one talks about. Chamomile tea isn't just an old herbal remedy, it's backed by science. Drinking a cup before bed can reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality, thanks to an antioxidant called apigenin. I picture it as a warm, calming hug in a mug, coaxing your body toward deep, restorative sleep. And coming up, the most underrated food for sleep that you might be skipping completely. Once you add it, your nights could change dramatically. Here's a food many seniors overlook: oats. A small bowl of oats in the evening can increase melatonin and stabilize blood sugar, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Think of it as a gentle, slow-release sleep signal for your body. Pair it with a splash of milk or a sprinkle of cinnamon, and it's both comforting and effective. And don't skip the next one. This is where most people accidentally make sleep worse, even while thinking they're helping themselves. Finally, walnuts deserve a spot on this list. They contain melatonin, magnesium, and healthy fats, all working together to improve sleep quality.
A few walnuts as an evening snack can signal your body it's time to rest, reduce nighttime awakenings, and support longer, deeper sleep. Many seniors are surprised how simple this small change can be, but the impact is real. Here's the key insight. It's not just about eating these foods, it's about timing and pairing. Eating them too early or with heavy meals can reduce their benefits. Integrating these foods mindfully into your evening routine, even in small amounts, can transform your sleep. For seniors, these gentle, natural foods can often do more than supplements, caffeine restrictions, or elaborate sleep routines alone. So here's what you can do today. Start small. Add a handful of almonds or walnuts after dinner. Enjoy a cup of chamomile tea. Try a small portion of oats or kiwi before bed, and consider tart cherry juice as a nightly ritual. Pair your evening fatty fish with a light, early dinner and watch how your sleep gradually improves. The key is consistency, gentle pacing, and listening to your body. To recap, the 7 foods that can help seniors sleep better are tart cherries, almonds, kiwi, fatty fish, chamomile tea, oats, and walnuts. Each supports natural sleep signals in unique ways, calming your body, regulating hormones, and easing you into restorative rest. Small, consistent changes in your evening nutrition can lead to bigger, lasting results than you might expect. If improving your sleep feels important to you, our digital plan, Sleep Deep Again, offers a complete step-by-step approach to help seniors reclaim deep, restful sleep naturally. And if you want to continue exploring practical senior-friendly tips, check out the next video showing on your screen right now. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods do you already enjoy, and which one are you most excited to try? Share in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, natural ways to boost your health and well-being.